Hello everyone. Let us now discuss today's LeetCode POTD question 2381 shifting letters to. So here we are given with a string S where we are also given with shifts where it contains left, right and the direction. Now let us consider a string A, B, C. Sorry, D, E, F, like anything like this. Now let me consider this string. Now here we got left and right. That means you got the indices of the left and the right and the direction of the shift. Now, the direction can be 1 or 0. Sorry, it can be 1 or it can be 0. If the direction is 1, it will be in forward, and if the direction is 0, the shift will be backward. Let me tell you what will be this forward and backward. So you got this left, you got this right. Now these are the indices. So let me write the indices here: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you got this indices. Now let me consider an example where left is 0 and the right is 2. Now including this left to right, we need to shift and the direction is given as 1. If it is so, if the direction given is 1, then we need to shift in forward. That means this forward shift means A will become B, B will become sorry B will become C and Z will become A. Now you got A, B, E. The direction is 1. That means this will change like after A it will be B, after this B it will be C, after E F. That's it. R A B. So this is how you shift in the forward direction. But what if we given with reverse? The direction is 0 and here we are given with like the left the left is the left is 2, the left is 2 and the right is given as sorry, let us consider the left as 3. Consider the left as 3 and the right as 6. Now let us consider the direction is reverse, backward direction. Now A will become Z, C will become B and B will become A. This will be in backward direction. Now you got from 3 to 6, sorry, 1 minute. It will be till 5. It will be till 5. Now it will be 5, 3 to 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we need to shift to the backward. Now before R it will be Q and before A it will be Z and before B it will be A. Now if you change this, that means if you shift, then you will get B, C, F, Q, Z, A. So after all shifts you will return this string. So if you see clearly, you got many shifts. That means shift from 1 to 2. These are the indices and the direction will be +1 or If 0, I'll be taking like -1. That means A will become Z, C will become B, B will become A. Now, the A to become B, you will increment +1. So, till 1 to 2, you will be having +1, +1, and +1. That's it. Till here. But after this index, if you get to 3, it should be stopped at this index. That means till here, if I get, let me write it, you got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if there is a right here, sorry, a left here, and this is the right. Now, till here, you'll increment 1, and increment 1. But here, when you come here, you need not to increment. And imagine they gave another thing like, wait a second. They gave, they gave us +1 here. That means a shift of forward at index 2. Now, at here you got another one, and here also you got another one, and I need to stop this at here, and this will be our right. Now, you got another one here, you got another one here, but when you get here out of bounds, you stop. You stop there, right? So, to do that, here you got the count as 2. Here you got the count as 2. But here only 1. Here only 1. And here just 0. This is out of bounds. So, when you get left, you get +1. And when you are getting the right, the next index should be decremented by 1. And this is the intuition for prefix sum. So, we will be using prefix sum where index at left incremented by 1 and index after right, that means right +1 decremented by 1. So we need to do increment and decrement. Before that, every everything will be initialized initialized to 0, and size of pre-sum array is n plus 1, where n is size of s. So this is how the prefix sum will work. But as I said, this is the prefix sum. You need to count. So you need to do pre-sum operation on this array. That means iterate from I is equal to 1 to pre-sum size, and pre-sum of I will be pre-sum of I minus 1, and after that shift operation. So let me write an algorithm here. The first thing is iterate shift. Now before that, pre-sum of size n plus 1 comma 0. left. Pre-sum of left should be incremented if the direction is 1. Only when direction is 1, increment pre-sum by 1. And pre-sum of right plus 1 should be decremented. Now, else pre-sum of left minus minus of right plus plus it iterate from I is equal to 1 to pre-sum array size pre-sum of I pre-sum of I minus 1 and there when sorry when after this we need to shift according to the pre-sum. Now iterate pre-sum array and shift the string, but here use mod for 2 times